Recording in progress.
Hey everyone, my name is Otabek Isokov. I'm from Tajikistan, Hujan City. You can see my GitHub username and date of this video. This is my video presentation for CS50's final project. Before we begin, I would like to quickly introduce my project for you. Currently, I'm living in Cassino. It's a small city in the middle of Napoli and Rome in Italy. And there's a very good barber here, but to use the services from that barbershop, you have to take an appointment. You have to call them or write to their WhatsApp number, and they usually answer very late. For example, last time I messaged them, and it took 5 days for them to answer me and actually book my appointment. So I tried to somehow solve this problem and came up with this project. It's called Barber Matteo. It's actually the name of the barbershop in the city. It's an appointment booking system where customers can easily book available dates and times without waiting in long lines. All right, so now I'm going to share the code and my project. Just give me a second, please. So this is the code. So my code has the main function and several other additional functions. So let's get on to it. All right. As you can see at the very beginning, my program prints some welcome message for the users. So this is everything that I told you before. And at the very beginning, I would like to show the working hours of the barber. This is the actual working hours of the barber in my city. So they work from so they work from Tuesday to Friday. On Monday and Sunday, they're closed and they have a break for 2.5 hours every day. And on Saturdays, they have a short day. So at the very beginning, my program asks the user for how many customers do you want to book an appointment? Or why how many customers? Because I thought maybe there are going to be some parents who want to book an appointment for them and for their kid. So probably they're going to be two people out there. But let's say, for example, I'm going to input survey, right? But my we will get an error message. It says you can take an appointment for a maximum of two people at a time. My program can take an appointment for a maximum of two people, one or two at the same time. So let's say I want to take an appointment for one person, just for myself. And our name, for example, my name is, let's say, I can write it in any order I want, order back and last name. Let's say user accidentally inputs the wrong username, sorry, the last name. We all know no one's gonna have this kind of last name. So I'm using regional expressions here, a certain pattern to check the names and last names. So it's gonna print an error message, and we have to print like input the actual last name. My last name is Isokov, let's say, and then a phone number. In Italy, phone numbers start with a code of +39 and 10 digits after it. Let's say I accidentally uh, input only this 5 digits. Again, error message. So we have to actually input the correct number of digits. This is my phone number. And then you can see the current date and time in Italy. And then we can see available dates and times starting from the next Tuesday. So as you can see, every time slot is numbered. For example, number one is Tuesday, 8:30, 9:30. Number two is, and this is all the way to Saturday. So we have to choose a time slot by its number. Let's say I want to go on, let's see, I'm going to go on Tuesday, for example, maybe at 8:30 in the morning. So I have to choose the number, which is number one here in my case. I'm going to choose one. And great, we got your appointment. Arrive 5 minutes early, please. See you. And that's not it. My After that, my program creates a users.csv where all the information of the users will be included. You can see the first name, last name, and their phone number. As you remember, I inputted this information in a very strange format, but my program handles it just right. And after that, I'm going to have an appointments.csv where we have the slot index, the slots numbers that I chose, the day, time, info of the user. This is actually for the barber. So why did I even do this? Because after this, I want to work on this project even more. and make a Telegram bot where all of these things can be very user friendly in a messenger, maybe in Telegram or maybe in WhatsApp. From one side, user will get in and choose the time, input their information, and from the other side, Barber can get in and see all the booked time slots. So yeah, that's it. And but another thing that is important about my project, let's say we want to run it one more time. And this time I want to input information about two people, let's say two, first name, let's say Max, Williams, let's say, and then phone number, certain phone number, and then the second person, last name, let's say Veronica Williams, for example, right? And another phone number, Italian phone number. And then now we have two people, so we can choose two time slots. But one important thing here now is, as you can see, for the second user, my program doesn't show time slot number one because it's already booked. It's an appointment that CSV. It's already booked. Of course, we're not going to see it. But let's say for this two users, we want to choose, I don't know, Friday. Let's say 29 and 20, 30. Let's say 29 for the first one and 30 for the second one. So, and then we're going to check the users. As you can see, all the information is here. And as you can see, even in appointment.csv, all the information is here. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.